Hey there, Greymains. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock pigs in Crimson Desert. Now, before we begin, there are some prerequisites that you are going to need if you want to unlock the pigs for your ranch. For example, of course, having a ranch of your own. If you check over to your journal and go over to faction quests right here, over on the Grounds of Sunrise on the Grain main quest line, you should be able to find Gathered Will. And over here, you have to have at least completed the Field of Abundance. By doing this quest, you should unlock the ranch over at Howling Hill on the Grey main camp. Now, for you to unlock pigs in the game, you have to raise Ben's trust to over 100. As you can see right now, over on the bottom right, I only have 50 trust on him. If I press down G to give him a gift, I should be able to give him some items. Currently right now, I don't have anything in my inventory that I will give him, but I will try to come back with a golden bar. Alright, now I'm back with my gold bars. Now in case you don't have any gold bars, you could just gift him some coins that are inside pouches. One of those should raise his trust level by 5. 10 should just do the work, because quite frankly, gold bars are a little bit excessive when it comes to gifting. But nevertheless, send it over to him. Now I have trust 100. Now originally, if your trust isn't 100, if you check over to buy livestock, the baby pig wouldn't even be there. And it just costs 1 silver and 50 copper. And that's pretty much about it on how to unlock pigs in Crimson Desert.